Hello Dario, it's the Rap here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2007 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic. This bike is going for 11.8 plus HST and licensing. It is in absolutely perfect condition. As you see, brand new tires, front and back. All the lights are upgraded to LEDs. I'm gonna open the ignition for you so you can see what it is. There we go. It has alarm as well. So that's the mileage in kilometers. These lights can be modified, changed as well. You can change the color of the arrows, the display itself. It has over 600 colors. This is the USB charger for the phones. The windscreen is removable, has a cruise control, has a Screaming Eagle exhaust. The tail light is upgraded to LED too. It's super bright. There we go. The signals are LEDs as well, front, back. They are very bright. Highway crush bars, the highway packs, the adjustable quick removable backrest for a rider, backrest for the passenger as well, and I'll fire it up for you so you can hear it. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.